Namaste children, how are you all? Children, last class we learned about chapati chart with the help of one activity. And today class will continue same topic, smart charts. And here we have one more activity based on the tally marks. Chalo, without wasting the time, we'll start the today's activity. Here you can see what you can see in that image better. Sir, one girl is sitting on chair and she is watching the television. So let us see about this activity. What you can see better there, title Ad Mad. Rajini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day she thought of counting the number of ads during the breaks. They said about Rajini here, she is very much interested to watch cartoons on television. One day she thought when she is watching that cartoon channel, she observed many ads are coming, and then she decided she want to count the number of ads during the break. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those ads, there were children as actors. During the break, she counted the number of ads and she observed there are 14 ads during that short break, 14 advertisements during that short breaks. And you know one thing, out of 14, 10 ads, there were children are the actors. Means in that 10 ads, children are actors. Children, can you tell me why out of 14, 10 advertisements are children are actors? The reason is it is the cartoon channel. So most of the cartoon channels are watched by only children only. So because of that reason, out of 14, 10 ads are children are the actors in 10 ads. Now based on this, we have some questions better. So let us answer that questions. Children, let us answer based on this activity. She said she is watching the cartoon channel it seems, and between the breaks many ads are coming it seems. She started counting the number of ads during the short break, and she observed that there are 14 ads in that break. Out of 14 ads, 10 ads, children are the actor it seems. The reason already I told you, it is the cartoon channel. So because of that, children are the actors, most of the ads. You know why it is? Cartoon channels, maximum children only watch. Because of that, they kept for actors also children only. Let us answer a few questions based on this activity. Yes. Here we have first one better. Why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Out of 14 ads, 10 ads, children are the actors. They are asking, why do you think children are so many ads? Out of 14, almost 10 ads, why children are the actors? The reason is, as I told you, the same reason better, because cartoons are, or you can say cartoon channels. Cartoon channels are because you can write here most of the cartoon channels. Most of the cartoon channels are watched by children only. Yes, watched by children only. Because of that, most of the ads, children are the actors. Children are the actors. Use tally marks to count the number of ads during short break in a program. So in that program, she counted number of ads. How many ads she counted? She got better after counting. There are 14 ads. How many ads? 14 ads. Now let us express this 14 by using the tally marks. By using the tally marks, we will try to write this 14. So how can we use tally marks? One vertical 1 ad, 2 ads, 3, 4, 5 ads, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, there are 14 ads. We can represent with the help of like this tally marks. Were there ads during the news program? Why not? Every program between we can see the ads, whether it is movie or cartoon channel or news channel or program, whatever it is, there will be ads. So let us answer this. Yes, there are ads during the news program. During the news program, we can see the ads also. Yes, like that we can answer based on that activity. Yes, here we have try yourself, and this is for you only better. Let me explain about this one. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisement during each break. So today itself, after going home, however, you watch the TV, no? So when you're watching your favorite TV program, you try to count the number of ads during the break, each break. Use tally marks for counting. As I said you, we can use this tally marks especially for running counting. So you try to use the tally marks for counting the ads in each break. Put a dot below the tally when you find children in any advertisement. Suppose you are watching one program which is half an hour program. In that half an hour program we can see 3 breaks. In the 3 breaks, how many ads you watched? In that ads, how many children, in how many ads children are the actor? That you need to find out, and you can make them to express with the help of tally marks. Suppose in that half an hour program you have 3 short breaks, 3 ads. In the 3 breaks you observed like 10 ads. Out of 10 ads, how many ads children were actors? Suppose out of 10 there are 5 ads children were actors. You can write number 5 and write that 5 with the help of tally marks also. And next day you can compare with your friends. Do you get different answers? 100%. Why? Because we don't know what about your friend favorite TV program. Maybe it is 1 hour program. There will be more number of ads. In that more number of ads, how many ads children were actor, we don't know. So maximum we can see the difference between your answer and your friend answers. Children, you can try this one at home. Children, till now we will saw few activities which are based on tally marks and pie chart. And next we will go with one more activity which is based on bar graph. So let us see what is the importance of bar graph, and we'll answer some questions based on the bar graph. Here we have the title which is hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? Yes. If you watch a news channel, last 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they will give you about weather report and sports and stock market. These are 2 bar charts. Here you can see 2 bar charts. One is about 1st June and other one is about 1st December. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius. See the temperature here, they are going to measure in degrees Celsius in 4 cities on 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Simla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Children, here they gave the temperature recorded in 4 different cities, Delhi, Simla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer, in 2 different days, 1st June and 1st December. And also they said that temperature they are going to measure in degrees Celsius. They are going to measure in degree Celsius. You can see better 1st June once. In that 1st June, can you tell me what is the temperature recorded in Delhi? Which is 33 degrees Celsius. And the Simla is 22 degrees Celsius. And the Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius. And Jaisalmer, which is 38 degree Celsius. And you can see temperature recorded in same cities in 1st December. Whereas Delhi recorded 23 degrees Celsius. And whereas Simla you can see 10 degrees Celsius. Bangalore is 24 degrees Celsius. And Jaisalmer is 25 degree Celsius. Yes, this bar chart shows that temperature recorded in 4 different cities in 2 different days. One is 1st June and next 1st December. Let us answer few questions based on this bar graph. Yes, children, you can see the bar graph here. And temperature recorded in 4 different cities in 2 days. 1st June and one is 1st December. 1st June, the temperature recorded in Delhi 33 degrees Celsius, Simla 22, Bangalore 28, Jaisalmer is 38. These are the temperature recorded by 4 cities in 1st June. 1st December, in Delhi you can see 23 degrees Celsius, Simla 10 degree, Bangalore 24 degree, Jaisalmer 25 degree. So these are the temperature recorded by 4 different cities in 2 different days, 1st June and 1st December. Now let us answer few questions based on this bar graph. What do we call beta? Bar graph. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? In this 1st June, which city is the hottest? Hottest means more temperature. So which city has the more temperature? That city will be more hottest. Which city has the less temperature? That will be coldest. Now in the 1st June, can you tell me where you can see more temperature? Delhi 33, Simla 22, Bangalore 28, Jaisalmer. Yes. So this is the place where you can see more temperature. More temperature means it is the hottest place in that 1st June in the 4 different cities. So which city has the hottest beta? Which is Jaisalmer. Yes. Jaisalmer is the hottest city in the 1st June out of that 4 cities. So the temperature recorded is 38 degrees Celsius. And next we can see which city is the coldest on 1st December. So in the month of December, which city is the coldest they are asking. As I said, coldest means which city has the less temperature, that is the coldest. So which city you can see less temperature? I can see Simla. Yes, I can see Simla having less temperature, which is 10 degrees Celsius. So where we can see less temperature and it is the coldest place in the month of December. Yes. Now which city is the coldest in the 1st December? Simla. The reason we can see the less temperature there. Less temperature means coldest. So you can see only 10 degrees Celsius. Which city shows a little change, a small change in temperature on the 2 days? 1st June, 1st December. Here in these 2 days also you can see temperature of same 4 cities only. So which city have little change in temperature in the 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? Let us compare the temperatures. Delhi, June 1st, 33, December 1st, 23, 33, 23, 10 difference there. Simla, 22, 10, 12 difference, not a little change, more change. Bangalore, 28 degree, here we can see Bangalore 24 degree, 28, 24, 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the little change we can see. One more is there, Jaisalmer 38, here Jaisalmer 25, 38, 25, 8 plus 5, 13 difference. In which city we can see little change? Bangalore we can see little change better. In the 1st June, Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius. In 1st December, Bangalore is 24 degrees Celsius. 28, 24, only little change. 4 degrees Celsius is the change. So where we can see a little change in 2 days? Bangalore. Yes, you can see the answer. Bangalore city shows little change. Yes, it shows the little change in temperature. On the 2 days. On the 2 days. So what is the change you can see, beta? You can see there 28 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. I can see only 4 degrees Celsius. It is a little change where I can see in 1st June and 1st December in Bangalore city. Hope it is clear to you. It is about bar graph.